To fix the AT&T modem blinking white light, follow these steps. First, understand that a blinking white light on your AT&T router indicates that it is trying to boot up, or is in a self-test mode. If the light persists, it may indicate a problem with the device or the connection. Start by restarting your router, as this often resolves connectivity issues. Unplug the power cord from the back of the router. Wait for 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This simple step can reset the device and fix the blinking white light. If the issue persists, check your internet connection. Ensure that all cables are securely connected to the correct ports on the router and your device. Verify that your subscription is active and that you have not exceeded your data limit. Next, check for firmware updates. Outdated firmware can cause issues with your router. Log into your router using the default IP address, typically 192.168.1.254, and your administrator credentials. Look for the firmware update option and follow the prompts to install the latest version. If none of these steps resolve the issue, reset your router to its factory settings. This will erase all custom settings, so be sure to write down your current settings before doing so. Use a paperclip or pin to press the small reset button on the back of the router, and hold it for 10 seconds. Finally, if the blinking white light continues, contact AT&T support for assistance. They can help troubleshoot the issue or replace the router if it is faulty. Remember to always follow proper safety precautions when working with electrical devices. And consult your user manual for specific instructions on troubleshooting and maintaining your AT&T router. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the AT&T modem blinking white light and restore your internet connection.